Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others around the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Personality segment, we spoke about drowsiness or sleep experienced while practicing the prayer of quiet, the prayer suitable for gut-centered Enneagram types, namely type 8 Challenger Protector, type 9 Peacemaker Mediator, and type 1 Reformer Perfectionist, and how the gut-centered persons can cope with it. In this episode, we conclude our consideration of the focused meditation, expressive prayer, and the prayer of quiet by saying that these three types of prayers are the preferred prayer forms of head, heart, and gut-centered persons, respectively. In conclusion, we can say that the prayer of quiet, the gut-centered prayer, is different from focused meditation, the head-centered prayer, and expressive prayer, the heart-centered prayer. Head-centered focused meditation is outer-directed, involves focusing attention on a fixed image, object, or a word. It calls for disciplining the thoughts and feelings. Heart-centered expressive prayer is inner-directed, involves freedom, transparency, and surrender of one's true nature to God. It allows the flow of energy buried within and its outer expression, both physically and emotionally. However, the gut-centered prayer, the prayer of quiet, calls for silencing the mind, removal of thoughts, feelings, a state of bare attention on God, emptiness, detachment, and receiving God deep within. As the name implies, in the prayer of quiet, the soul experiences an extraordinary peace and rest, accompanied by contemplating God as present. In the state of prayer of quiet, I recognize that I have feelings, thoughts, words, and that I am a bodily person. Yet I know that I am not any of these, but I am more than these. Prayer of quiet cultivates an awareness that I am attending to the presence of God. I see Him as He reveals Himself in the simple gaze and bask in His loving presence. Though gut-centered persons prefer this form of prayer, from time to time, they will use focused meditation to express their thoughts and words, and expressive prayer to communicate their feelings and emotions. Hence, prayer of quiet is not an exclusive way of prayer for the gut-centered persons, even though it is their preferred way of praying. Similarly, both head-centered and heart-centered prayers also can lead head-centered and heart-centered persons to periods of prayer of quiet, wherein they experience quiet communion with God. This is the normal movement of prayer. It is a way of development and deepening of our life of relationship with God. These three ways of centering on God are the preferred ways of being before the presence of God for these categories of Enneagram types, and will follow the usual states of growth in prayer. The test of all these forms of prayer is that whether they help the head, heart, and gut-centered persons to grow in love, to be compassionate, and being humble. Thereby, these three categories of persons exemplify in their life the fruits of the Spirit, namely love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Galatians chapter 5 verses 22 to 23. With this episode, we temporarily stop uploading videos on Know Your Personality segment. However, we will continue to upload videos on Sunday Reflection segment. Besides, we will begin uploading videos on some other themes. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.